This week on AtlantiCast, a new groundbreaking clinical trial for cancer patients, a state-of-the-art scoliosis treatment center opens, embracing diversity in Atlantic Health System, and much more. Hello, I'm Luke Margolis. Welcome back to AtlantiCast. We start this week with new developments in a story you first saw on AtlantiCast in September. Atlantic Health System has joined New Jersey-based Raphael Pharmaceuticals in a clinical trial of a new pancreatic cancer drug. Led by Dr. Angela Alistar, the medical director of GI Medical Oncology at Morristown Medical Center, the study looks at how the drug CPI-613 disrupts the way these cancer cells get the energy that allows them to grow. Prior activity with CPI-613 in pancreatic cancer inspired the current new trial. Pancreatic cancer is one of the most challenging cancers to treat, and new treatments are desperately needed. To see Dr. Alistar's tips on identifying the warning signs of pancreatic cancer, go to AtlantiCast.org. The latest treatments and technology for adults and children with spinal deformities, including scoliosis, are now available at the new Scoliosis and Spinal Deformity Center at Atlantic Orthopedic Institute. State-of-the-art techniques and equipment such as the O-arm intraoperative imaging system and the Stealth Station surgical navigation system will give surgeons incredible accuracy and safety during delicate spinal surgery. Surgeons from Morristown Medical Center and Overlook Medical Center will care for patients at the new Scoliosis and Spinal Deformity Center. Both Morristown and Overlook Medical Centers are accredited as centers of excellence by the Joint Commission, and Morristown Medical Center's orthopedic program has been recognized by U.S. News and World Report as a best-in-nation program. Congratulations to Dr. Bernard Maria, the director of the Division of Child Neurology and Developmental Medicine at Goryeb Children's Hospital. He was recently recognized with the 2018 Hauer Award, the highest recognition from the Child Neurology Society. The award is given each year to a child neurologist in recognition for sustained and outstanding contributions to the field of child neurology. Dr. Maria was instrumental in developing programs at Atlantic Health System that address disorders including autism, brain and spinal tumors, concussion, epilepsy, headache and migraine, and muscle and nerve diseases. When a 14-year-old girl goes from soccer star to couch potato, it's strange. When she suddenly can't breathe, it's terrifying. That's the story behind a must-read article recently published by the New York Times about a teenager suffering from a dangerous condition called granulomatosis with polyangiitis. Thanks to the teamwork shown by the expert doctors and nurses at Goryeb Children's Hospital and Morristown Medical Center, the young girl was diagnosed, treated, has since recovered, and started college this fall. All of us at Atlantic Health System are inspired by this patient, who's now looking to one day become a nurse and, according to the article, provide the same comfort and care for children who, like her, need so much of it to get through a terrible illness. A copy of the article is linked to at AtlantiCast.org. An appreciation and respect for the diversity of our team members and a commitment to fostering a pro-family environment. That's the spirit that led to Atlantic Health System making the list of the best workplaces for diversity and best workplaces for parents, according to Great Place to Work and Fortune magazine. These are the 5th and 6th recognitions from Great Place to Work and Fortune this year alone. Also, a big thank you to all of our team members who filled out the annual engagement survey. Your information allows us to keep building healthier communities. Morristown Medical Center was recently named a top teaching hospital by the Leapfrog Group, a leading hospital safety rating organization. Morristown Medical Center joins just 35 other hospitals across the entire country to win this honor. The rating measures many areas of care, including infection rates, maternity care, and preventing medical errors. Newton Medical Center recently received a coveted Pathway to Excellence designation by the American Nurses Credentialing Center. The award recognizes Newton as a place where nurses can flourish and lets patients know they will get the highest standard of care. Congratulations to Newton Medical Center on earning this distinction. And finally, we'd like to recognize another special moment that matters here at Atlantic Health System. Part of building healthier communities means helping people overcome challenges to live the fullest life possible. In a span of 8 months, Charlene Beebe, a physical trainer in Newton, had both hips replaced at Morristown Medical Center. She's now back at work, on her feet all day, and the subject of our latest Moments That Matter commercial coming soon to a TV near you. As we go to a quick break, here's a look at some great events coming your way. But first, the chill in the air, the candy corns making way for peppermints. Yes, the holiday season is upon us. With that comes some amazing holiday lights, like the first annual Holiday Lights Festival at Hackettstown Medical Center. A free event for the public created by the Foundation for Hackettstown Medical Center and sponsored by Hackettstown Anesthesia Associates and Hackettstown Radiology. The festival included lots of activities for the kids and, of course, Santa. Enjoy, and we'll see you after a quick break. Welcome to the AtlantiCast Medical Minute. I'm Luke Margolis. Dr. Philippe Généreux is leading a first-in-the-world study called Early TAVR right here in New Jersey that's looking into the treatment schedule for a potentially silent killer known as aortic stenosis. Doctor, tell us a little bit about the study.
Aortic stenosis is the most common cardiac valve disease, and typically we intervene on patients with open heart surgery when they develop symptoms or cardiac damage. The Early TAVR trial will investigate for the first time in the world whether a new technique performed by transcatheter no surgery replacing the valve before the installation of symptom will result in benefit for the patient.
And why do it here at Morristown Medical Center?
Morristown has the best surgeon, the best cardiologist, and the best imager cardiographer with a platform that is exceptional to intervene earlier in the treatment of these patients.
Dr. Philippe Généreux, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
All right, folks, to learn more about Early TAVR or Atlantic Health System, you can check out AtlantiCast.org.